Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by granting Zarchiver the exact permissions it needs. Open Android settings, find apps, select Zarchiver, and enable storage and manage files. This lets the app access Minecraft data. Next, locate your Minecraft folder at /sdcard/games/com. Mojang or use downloads for imports. Short paths avoid access errors. Once done, copy the MacPack or Macworld into downloads so Zarchiver can open it without hitting scoped storage restrictions. This reduces permission friction and prepares you for extraction. Now you perform extraction while respecting Android's scoped storage rules. In Zarchiver, tap the archive and choose Extract Here or Extract To, then select Downloads or a public folder you granted access to. On Android 11 or later, either enable the broader Manage All Files permission for Zarchiver or accept the Storage Access Framework prompt and pick the folder manually. This gives the app explicit access. Make sure you do not extract into protected app folders. Using public storage prevents access denied errors during extraction. Finally, move the properly extracted files into Minecraft's folder. Using Zarchiver or the System Files app, copy the resource or world folder into /sdcard/games/com. Mojang/Minecraft worlds or the resource packs folder and ensure folder names match expected formats. Minecraft needs exact names. After copying, restart Minecraft and enable the pack in world settings. If you see access denied, recheck permissions and repeat the Choose Folder SAF grant for the destination. This usually resolves residual scoped storage blocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.